I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm at one of the largest trade shows in all the world. This is the IFA, which stands for Innovation for All. It's held in Berlin, Germany, at the Messe, and Messe in German means trade fair. It's one of the most significant trade fairs in the world for consumer electronics and home appliances. Midea is receiving the award this year as being the #1 home appliance company in the entire world.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm at the IFA Berlin. I'm with Midea. I'm going to show you all kinds of amazing innovations that they're bringing out at this huge international conference in Germany.
Join me as I step into the Messe Berlin to go visit Midea. The Messe Berlin is so huge, it has over 2 million square feet of exhibition space spread across 27 different halls at the Berlin Expo City Center. Let's go find Midea. Right away, I found such an amazing innovation by Midea. It was a robot that talked and gestured. It was fascinating. So I went up to meet this new robot Midea has created with their innovations.
And I was so excited to be at the IFA Berlin 2025 for the launch of the latest of products with Midea.
I'm very happy to announce Midea's standout performance in the global market, where Midea is the world's #1 smart home appliance brand. Thank you. Thank you so much. So let's capture this moment with a photo, and let's give them a round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. This is really a remarkable moment here at IFA 2025.
Midea being the world's #1 smart home appliance brand, I wanted to check out for myself. They launched a whole line called the SMARTMASTER. One of my favorites was this refrigerator. It identifies what you have in the fridge and has certain zones to keep everything fresh. For instance, if you pull out the middle drawer, this is to store fish. This will keep fish fresh for an entire week. This is going to change the way we store food in our homes. And on this combi refrigerator, the freezer's on the bottom with plenty of room for all those items you want in long, cold storage in your freezer.
And Midea has a special ECOMASTER system. This is AI cloud-connected technology that works with your appliances in order for you to have an ecological way of using electricity. Cloud-connected advanced AI analytics that works hand in hand in order to create that electricity and energy for the most optimal in households at the least cost of that.
Midea had hired these wonderful chefs to show off the Midea appliances in cooking. Cooking is one of my favorite types of videos to create on my channel, so I was ecstatic to learn the new types of devices to make cooking easier, faster, and certainly more fun.
Andrea, I'm so excited about this new line by Midea. Can you explain it to me?
Of course. The new Eleva series is a new series that we designed for European consumer. It's specifically designed to target what is the more premium and essential line in simple looks and a very premium feeling. Take for example this compact oven. We designed it for small interior spaces.
I can see that. It's really wonderful because it has all these different racks, and I can see it's small, but the look is so sleek. Thank you, Andrea, for speaking with us today. I'm so impressed.
Thank you very much for coming.
Midea is always in the forefront of technology. They're bringing out more lines. The Aspira series and the Essenza series are other high luxury lines for today's modern kitchen. And check out this washer and dryer. It's 28 inches. It has eccentric, exciting electric heat. So it'll dry your clothes after it washes them.
And in the SMARTMASTER line, there's also a wonderful washer and dryer. This is an 88-liter washer and dryer. It has a large interior capacity. It not only launders and washes your clothes, but it dries them too with one machine. The magic is a drum size. 88 liters translates to 23 liquid gallons. For your duvets, your comforters, your largest loads, they can not only get washed in this front-loading washer, but it's also a dryer too. And Midea at the IFA Berlin shows how that drum works and the spacing of the drum with this really fantastic coil display so you can understand how it can get all that power.
Midea has been a pioneer in one of the new types of refrigerant. It's called 290. This is a space at the exhibition at the IFA in Berlin, showing those innovations. And Midea has pioneered the R290 solution for the planet with their efficient and eco-friendly air products, including the R290 portable air conditioners and dehumidifiers that are all over the world, including the water pumps and the heat pumps that are worldwide now. R290 is a type of refrigerant that is eco-friendly to the earth. It surpasses the technology of other refrigerants from the past, so we can make a safer world with a refrigerant that isn't going to destroy our planet. I'm here with Stefano today. Tell me about your heat pump, Stefano.
Heat pumps are systems that take the heat from air and transfer it to water in order to do some space heating or domestic hot water.
So it's eco-friendly?
Absolutely it is. And I mean, it's also very efficient because it uses a refrigerant cycle in order to transfer this heat. And this is very efficient in terms of energy, so you have savings also on your bills.
So it's not only good for the environment, it's good on the pocketbook too.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you, Stefano. Midea has innovations in air conditioners. This line is called Porta-Split. These are air conditioners designed to fit all kinds of different window configurations. How inventive to have an outside air conditioner that can fit right on the side of your balcony. And here's another way of designing an air conditioner. On the inside of the house, it's anywhere in the room. But the outside just has a slender hose where the other side of the unit is outside. Check out this one-touch dispense system on a refrigerator. You just put your cup in, you press what you want. I want water. And now we're going to press go. It will know the size of your cup or glass, and it will stop the water automatically with that technology. What a smart home appliance. It's not going to make a mess. It's going to stop. Abracadabra. And check out this Titan dishwasher. You can load massively. It can handle 16 sets of dishes. It easily fits tall wine glasses and small teacups. So no matter what your household's eating habits are, it can handle it. Because of its tube height, it allows for really tall glasses. I like that. Now you can have your dinner parties and fit all your dishes in after the party's over with this Titan dishwasher. And check out this downdraft of a hood. It's a hood and a hub. It's ultra slim. It's only 177 millimeters. And everything goes down in. So not only can you use this in your kitchen, but if you add office space or other living spaces around, you don't need a tunnel going up to your ceiling to get out the smoke from your cooking. And all of that with no ducting required. What an innovation in home technology.
And something I just love for the home is a gourmet custom coffee every morning. Midea creates this gourmet coffee station. It's a fully automatic coffee station. Within this, it's going to grind the beans, it's going to froth the milk, so you can have a coffee latte in just a matter of seconds. It's called the Gin & Brew series.
Teka is a long-established brand with a presence in over 120 countries. And it continues in the legacy of transforming kitchens into unique living spaces and inspiring for meaningful moments. Here at the IFA Berlin 2025, they bring us back to the future with this DeLorean out of the movie. Now that was a cool booth to check out. at the IFA. And Kupferbusch is a 150-year-old German company that brings super high-end quality, as they always have, to the modern kitchen. Check this out. Boys, what do you think of the refrigerator?
Great.
Give me a high five. Woo! Check this out. Now you might know Eureka. Eureka's been around for over 100 years in cleaning appliances. Now finding Eureka at the IFA Berlin in 2025, we can see amazing innovations in technology. They're making a global debut of the all-new Floor Shine Wet and Dry Vacuum Series. It's led by the flagship Floor Shine 880 model. Now they designed this for exceptional cleaning performance and effortless usability. It just about runs by itself. All you have to do is steer it. And with that wet-dry vacuum technology, it also combines a powerful 24,000 PA suction system, meaning it can get up the heaviest of particles as it's vacuuming and shining your floor. And Como has the sleekest designs. They're driven by AI technology to make all kinds of conveniences happen so easily for the household. Como incorporates their Evolution 2.0 technology and their Milan, Italy fashion designs. How sleek to have these appliances in your home, and how cool too, as they cool you down and purify your air.
IFA Berlin, together with Midea, master your home.
Midea has a famous soccer player, Erling Haaland, as this year's Midea brand ambassador. And they have this fun, interactive booth for IFA attendees to play at.
I'm here at Midea's Manchester City, and they're having this soccer challenge. And in the soccer challenge, you're supposed to kick that soccer ball into a dryer for the win. I hope you've had a great time like I have seeing what Midea has brought with the IFA in Messe Berlin. Well, I'm going to go now. Click the link below and find more information about Midea, one amazing superstar with home electronics. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today we got all the recipes with Midea. See you next time. I'm going to go have some more fun in the conference. I might even try my foot with playing soccer into that dryer. That'll look like fun. I gotta go. Bye.